Okay, now in this video guys, we're going to solve the following pair of quadratic simultaneous equations. Well, one of them is a linear, but the first one is a complete quadratic. Now, how do we do this? Well, the key idea firstly is to take the simple equation, i.e. the linear equation, and make x, y subject and then throw it back into one of these expressions. So what I'm going to do is actually make x subject here because it's easier. So to make x subject, I need to plus this equation by y. So we're going to have x equals y plus 2. That's it. Now I'm going to put this one, I'm going to replace the x from the x squared with y plus 2. So this equation is now going to become, firstly x squared is now y plus 2 all squared. And we just copy the rest. Plus y squared equals 34. Easy. And now to expand this one, you need to realize that y plus 2 squared is a double bracket. So we need to notice that y plus 2 squared it can be written like this. And now to expand this, it's easy. So we just use the FOIL method. So y times y is y squared. Y times 2 is 2y. And then we get another 2y. So we're going to get 4y's. Plus 4 2 times 2 is 4. And now copying the rest of the equation, we've got y squared equals 34. So plus y squared equals 34. Easy. Now all we have to do here is just collect like terms and subtract 34. So y squared and y squared will give us 2y squares. Plus we're going to get 4y. And now 4 take away 34 will give us a negative 30. That's it. Now all you have to do here is literally factorize. So what I would do, open a bracket, put 2y here, and put y here. And that's it. And now we have to ask ourselves two numbers we need to make 30. So two numbers we need to multiply to get 30. So I would just do a factor tree and just get two results. And one thing we need to know is that we need to have these two numbers that plus minus to get 4. But because we've got 2 here, we need to multiply one of these pair numbers by 2 to get a difference of 4. So let's start thinking. Two numbers times to get 30. Well, we can think of 3 and 10. So let's try 3 and 10 first. Okay, so remember, this is trial and error. I don't actually know the answer, but I always do trial and error. And sometimes it's good to have an educated guess when you get used to this. Okay, so now we've got 3 and 10. Because we've got 2y here, we need to think that we've got a number here that's going to be multiplied by the 2. So what I would do is I'll put a times 2 sign to one of these figures. So which two numbers will give us a difference of 4? If I multiply 3 by 2, what do we get? 3 times 2 is 6. And now we can see that 10 and 6 actually has a difference of 4. That's it. So whatever number we choose, we need to make sure that 3 gets doubled. So 2y times 3 must go here. And clearly 10 goes here. And that's it, guys. Now we need to make this plus 4y. So basically it's positive. So we need to have 10 minus 6 will give us plus 4. So this will be positive 10. This has to be negative. So we can get minus 30. 10 times minus 3 is minus 30. And therefore we should have 2y equals negative 10. Or y equals negative 5. And for this side, y equals positive 3. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. But oh yeah, guys, we're not actually done yet. So what we have to do now is we need to find the x. And finding x is pretty much done. It tells us here that x equals y plus 2. So whatever y value is, just add 2 to get x. So we can say when y equals negative 5, x equals minus 5 plus 2, which is minus 3. And when y equals 3, we can say that 3 plus 2 is 5. And that's it, guys. We have our pair of solutions. Yeah, so if you need any other questions, any other extra help, let me know. And yeah, this should be fine. I recommend you just keep trying as many questions until you guys get it right. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Please give me a big like if you enjoyed this one and share this with your friends. And subscribe. I've got plenty of videos. And yeah, that's it. I shall see you guys soon. Ciao.